Elbette halayman şu yagımın ders gerek xat yazıvatımız Birleşken Devletler Teşkilatı'nın kişilik hukuk komitetlerinin ki işe aralışışını ve Amerika'nın, Avrupa parlamentinin hemmisinin bizning vatanga adam evatib Xitoyning tashviqot organida oldiq chiqarib bergan adamlari emas, haqiqiy tayoq yegan, turmuga tashlangan, o'ldirilganlarning oila tabobatlariga suhbat o'tkazib, tövanga tushib aniqlashini umid qilaman.
Yes, it's certainly our hope that the United Nations would send a team, a delegation to visit, to investigate what really took place. And we are in touch with the Office of High Commissioner for Human Rights. And we also hope the United States and the European Parliament will also do so to investigate, to go and meet with the families of the actual victims who were killed or beaten by the Chinese authorities, not the individuals usually the Chinese government recommends to meet, who only tell rosy stories of Chinese policies in our country. I would also like to address accusations leveled against me in the Chinese media regarding my alleged involvement in instigating the protests in East Turkestan. Their accusations are completely false. I did not organize the protests or call on the people to demonstrate. My only contact with any Uyghur inside East Turkestan in the recent day was a call I placed to my brother,